Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling your phone's mobile hotspot and noting the SSID and password. This is the key you will use. On the laptop, make sure the Wi-Fi adapter is turned on and airplane mode is off, because without radio access, nothing connects. Also verify your phone has mobile data and sufficient battery. Aim for more than 20%, and check carrier limits so the connection does not drop unexpectedly while you work. Once done, open the laptop's Wi-Fi settings and scan for the SSID you noted. This finds the hotspot broadcast. Select that network, type the password exactly, case matters, and then choose the correct profile. Private for trusted devices, public for others, because that affects firewall and sharing rules. After you connect, the laptop will obtain an IP address. If it does not, renew the adapter or toggle Y. You finish by verifying internet access. Open a browser and load a simple site to confirm connectivity. If pages fail, first toggle the phone hotspot off and on, then reconnect the laptop. Next, disable and enable the laptop Wi-Fi adapter or restart devices, because many issues clear with a reset. If problems persist, make sure your mobile data allowance is active, check APN settings, and confirm your carrier does not block tethering. Those are common causes when everything else looks correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.